Welcome student, once again. There is a question. A wheel moving with an initial angular velocity omega naught. After turning through 6 radian, its angular velocity is 5 omega naught. Find its uniform angular acceleration. That means initial velocity is omega naught. Final velocity is 5 omega naught. Time is not mentioned here. And angular displacement is 6 radian. So what to do? We know there is an equation v square equal to u square minus twice as u square plus twice as. So considering the analogy, we can take like this way: omega t square equal to omega naught square plus 2 alpha into theta. This is a condition. So omega t square is how much? That we all know. Omega t square is 5 alpha. What is it? Omega naught is alpha. Sorry, this is not 5 alpha. This is not 5 alpha. So omega t is, yes, this one will be 5 omega naught. Sorry, omega naught square equals to omega naught square plus 2 into alpha into, and this is 6 radian. So hence it becomes 25 omega naught square minus omega naught square equals to 12 alpha. So 24 omega naught square equals to 12 alpha. So is that clear to all of you? So alpha equals to 2 omega naught square. So this is the answer. So right from the beginning we can see v square equal to u square plus twice as, omega t square equal to omega naught square plus twice alpha theta. So 5 omega naught square equals to omega naught square plus twice alpha into 6. That is 25 omega naught square minus omega naught square equal to 12 alpha. 24 omega naught square equal to 12 alpha, and alpha equal to 2 omega naught square. Thank you, students. Welcome students. There is a problem with what velocity sphere at A will reach B such that sphere A is on at a height of h equals to 6r from the ground. That means it is at a 6r from the ground. The sphere is at A and it needs to reach B. That means it has to cover distance 6r minus 5r. How will we do? From the conservation of energy. So according to the conservation of energy, according to the conservation of energy, what we need to say, mg into 6r minus r. Let us use blue pen. 6r minus r equals to what? Half mv square plus half I omega square. mg into 6r minus r equals to half mv square plus half I omega square. So what it will come? 5 mgr equals to half mv square plus half, as we know, sphere moment of inertia is 2/5 mr square omega square. 2/5 mr square plus mr square omega square. So it is coming half into mv square plus 1/5 into mv square. So it will be coming 7/10 mv square. So here we can see, so v square equals to, so since here 5 mg r is there, so v square equals to, how much is it coming? 50/7 g into r. Sorry. So v equals to root under 50/7 g into r. So the answer is coming v equal to root under 50/7 g r. Is that clear to all of you? So what we have done, mg into 6r minus r. Okay, so equals to half mv square, because it will be falling to height r and you have to cover r, so that's why we are cancelling r. So now it is equal to half mv square plus half I omega square. That is, it is translational come rotational both. That is the reason. So it is coming 5 mgr equals to half mv square plus half I omega square. So it is coming again, 5 mgr equals to half mv square plus half into 2/5 mr square omega square equals to half mv square plus 1/5 f mv square. So 5 mgr equals to 7 by 10 mv square. So v square equals to 50 by 7 into gr. V equal to root under 50 by 7 gr. That is v equal to root under 50 by 7 gr. Thank you, students. Welcome, students. There is a problem. A sphere is rolling down an inclined plane without slipping. If angle of inclination is 30°, then what is an acceleration of sphere moving down an inclined plane? Okay, fine. Now there is a formula regarding these things. When an inclined plane is 30°, acceleration equals to g into sine theta divided by 1 plus I by m r square. So do you get it? Acceleration equal to g sine theta divided by 1 plus I by m r square. That means A is acceleration, linear acceleration, g is the acceleration due to gravity, I is the moment of inertia, m is the mass, and r is the radius. So I of sphere is how much? We all know it is equal to 2/5 of m r square. So hence 2/5 of m r square, as you can see. So now you can see acceleration equal to g into sine 30 divided by 1 plus 2 by 5 m r square by m r square. So it is coming g by 2 divided by 1 plus 2 by 5. So that means g by 2 by 7 by 5. So it is equal to 5g by 14. If g equals to 9.8, so it is becoming 3.5 meter per second square. Now let me show you what we have done. First of all, we have taken A equals to g sine theta by 1 plus I by m r square. So moment of inertia of a sphere is 2/5 of m r square. So A equal to g into sine 30 by 1 plus 2/5 of m r square. So g by 2 divided by 1 plus 2 by 5. So it is equal to g by 2 divided by 7 by 5. So it is coming 5g by 14, that is equal to 5 by 14 into 9.8. So it is coming 3.5. It is 14.7 to 1.4. So 7 by 2 is 3.5 meter per second square. Thank you very much, students.